Good evening, Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. We are here at Asas Elite at Mehdipatnam. The sun is setting. It's 21st of February. Oh, sorry, it's April 2021, and the time now is approximate 5:15. We are here to take a review of what's happening and what has been done since our last update. We are at the penthouse top, basically penthouse roof. So this is the penthouse of Asas Elite, which belongs to Sharif Saab and family, which is already gone. Let's go down and see what's happening. The final jobs are going on over here. The staircase which goes to the rooftop, and these are the people behind all the beautiful jobs being done at this place. The lift. This is the penthouse. The internal plaster is done for the penthouse, the kitchen, and the rooms are done. This is a master bedroom. The plaster is done for the rooms, and it has got a very huge hall and two more rooms. The external plaster is pending because we are waiting for this door frame to come. And this is the penthouse 4 BHK and belongs to Sharif Saab and family. This would be the terrace. If Amir Saab is watching this video, probably he would feel good about it. The electrical things are done on the railing, and this is how it looks. The penthouse exterior, of course, it's going to look a little more beautiful. The complete door, sliding door, the hall. Yes, this is the kitchen, and let's get on to floor 5. Floor 5, we are coming down to floor 5. This is floor 5. The internal plaster is again done. I'm going to take you very short clips which will give an account of the work which has been done and completed. So we are at level 5. And let's get down to level 4. We are at level 4. I hope you can see the same amount of work is completed. The staircase and common area is pending. Let's get down to level 3. We have reached level 3. Yes, this is the pit for the lift, and then there is a change in the exteriors of level 3. Both the flats has been purchased by one single family, and they have done a bit of modifications to these flats, but the amount of work done interior, it's all the same. Let's get down to level 3. We have reached to level 2. This is the level 2. The jobs are very well done. Entering into the next flat. This flat belongs to Ashfaq Saab. Ashfaq Saab, your flat plaster is done, and now we will be taking care of the common area plastering. We have reached to level 1. Owners of the first floor flats, look at your flats. The flats are done internally. Plaster is done. Let's get down. As you know, this is Asas Elite at Mehdipatnam, behind St. Anne's at SBI Colony. It's 1200 SFT flat, 3-bedroom hall kitchen. We have reached to the ground floor. The entire ground floor is going to be the parking, and first floor, second floor, third floor and sixth floor is already booked. The balance flats are at 4th and 5th floor, just 4 units left. If you guys are interested to book it, you need to book it a little faster. That's the watchman room, that's the staircase and the lift. It's 1200 SFT. Let's get out of the building and see the exterior, the elevation of it. Coming out of the structure, this road leads you to the St. Anne's College straight away, and then if you turn to my left, probably to the camera right, This road leads you to Reti Bauli, Ring Road, Dilshad Nagar Colony. And yes, we are here at the Asas Elite, which is 1200 SFT. So this is the exterior of the building, which was completed quite some time back, and the flats left, as I told you, it's at 4th and 5th floor, just 4 units left. It's a beautiful community, it's a beautiful place to live, and very nice neighborhood. You've got gardens, a lot of trees around, and in this you have a special price going on. It's only 4th and 5th floor available. It's G+5+ penthouse building. First, second, third and 6th is sold out. Welcome to Asas Constructions and Landmark Homes. And 4 flats to pick. You can book it as low as 10 lakh rupees. If you have any more questions, any queries, please send it across to us. The structure exterior, if I tell you, it's again a lapam putty finish exteriors to have a smooth walls outer side, and you have got those tiles at the elevation, and SS pipes will also come into the elevation, and every flat has got a road facing. It's 1200 SFT flat, just 4 flats left. Rest all are booked. I would suggest you, if you're looking for your home sweet home, yes, piece of home, then yes, we have got a piece of home for you. Come, book your piece of home and have a healthy and peaceful living. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video of Asas Elite at Mehdipatnam, SBI Colony. Thank you. This is Feroz Khan from Landmark Homes and Asas Constructions. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is lmh.hyd. It's a presentation of Asas Constructions and Landmark Homes. Thank you very much for watching this video, taking your precious time out. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.